So from your perspective, how has USD kind of helped you innovate and helped you solve problems in your industry that you have not been able to do before or approaching in different ways?
Yeah, it's basically the common language to bring all these different factory domains into one big digital twin. So, and this is enabling everything basically. We come from these data silos everywhere, and we are now able to integrate everything, and that's great. I'm Mike Wagner, CEO and co-founder of SyncTwin, and also I'm an Omniverse ambassador. Our mission is to unlock the industrial metaverse for small and medium-sized enterprises by leveraging OpenUSD and the Omniverse ecosystem. And my journey with SyncTwin began over 3 years ago as a co-founder of 𝗕𝙂𝗧𝙪𝙨𝙪. We're doing software for the automotive industry, production logistics, and that laid basically the groundwork for what SyncTwin has become today. And you may be aware of our partnership with BMW and their involvement in Factoryverse. So John sitting here and Mr. Factoryverse. That was a catalyst for me. It opened my eyes for the transformative power of collaborative digital twins based on OpenUSD and in Omniverse itself. You see here a little images of our bidirectional connector, which we made. And that was a revelation for me, basically, and it showed the potential that I was envisioning for the last 20 years, basically, in the digital factory domain. So it came clear to me that for global giants as BMW, it's one thing, but we should make this accessible for the smaller, for the suppliers, for the small and medium-sized enterprises. So these guys, they don't have like a whole IT department just dealing with digital factory, but they have workflows based on Excel and PowerPoint, and they have the same challenges, right? But they have to get the benefits of the digital twins as well. And our goal is to facilitate this transformation into a digital twin environment. And by using NVIDIA Omniverse and OpenUSD and AI assistants, we provide tools for these enterprises to optimize their processes as well. And imagine transforming these static Excel sheets and PowerPoint slides into an interactive model that allows you to see the full potential of your operations. So here is our vision of that transformation. With everything you see is done in Omniverse. And let's look at it.
Hi, I'm Lucy, your digital twin AI companion. The SyncTwin app, powered by NVIDIA Omniverse and OpenUSD, is your key to next-level digital twins like that one. Simply drag and drop your PowerPoint floor plan and Excel data into the app and see how your factory evolves. Need something specific? Just ask. For example, Lucy, create a pallet rack. Or, please add forklifts and loading units. Optimize your processes with tools like NVIDIA 𝙄𝙣𝙙𝙪𝙨𝙪𝙨, streamlining operations to deliver real value from your digital twin, to make smarter and more efficient decisions. Or dive into VR and become one with your factory, to understand and engage with your operations on a whole new level. Do you like to know more about what I can do for you? Connect with us on LinkedIn, Discord, our website, or download the app on our store and get started. Together, we democratize the industrial metaverse.
And here's how it works. Basically, we use existing layout information and Excel sheet process information and convert this into OpenUSD components, complete with metadata that's recognizable by language models or other tools or like ChatUSD, you know. Also leveraging like tools like in the Omniverse ecosystem like 𝗕𝙂𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗶, brings you these enterprises in the possibility to enjoy all these benefits of full-blown digital twins. And with that, I'm thrilled to announce that the Omniverse SyncTwin app is available. We've launched today. You can go to the web store and download it. And for more information, also visit the website. And it would be great to discuss later on with you guys. Thank you. Also what he said, but get into OpenUSD and wrap your head around the concepts of layering and referencing and all the good things that OpenUSD has to offer.